Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound wrinkles on your Motorola Moto G77. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and check the volume during a call using side buttons. So if you are in a call, then you want to go over and increase your volume right here. As you guys can see, you can also be in a phone app and change the call volume. And as you guys can see, once you go over into the settings and then in those settings, you go to sounds and vibration, you should also see the call volume being available. So make sure that you max it out. And after that, go over to the connected devices. Make sure that if you go to connection preferences and Bluetooth, that you disable it, because it's very important to rule out any connected devices. Now, what you guys see here, a little bit of a cutout right here, this is normal, this is our earpiece. Now what we're gonna do with the earpiece, we're gonna clean it, and we can use a soft brush for it. So for example, we can use a soft brush like this. We can try and make sure that there's nothing inside. Once it is, we can just scrap it up and do the same thing over and over. I would recommend even a smaller brush, because this brush is a little bit too big for the earpiece itself. So after cleaning the earpiece, what you guys can do is try another call using either the phone app or another app, so you can see if the problem is app dependent or if it's on the entire device. Next, what you guys can do is simply restart the phone. So hold the power button and the volume up button, tap on restart, and now it's restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the restart, what we're going to do is we're going to enter the password if you have one, and as a last resort here, what we're going to do is we're going to go over into the settings. Now in those settings, we're going to scroll down until we see the system updates. Now here we want to make sure that our software is on the latest version, and let me quickly lower the brightness. If it is, then that's great, but if it's not, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version. And if you go over into the system, you can go to reset options and reset mobile network settings. After you click reset settings, you will be prompted to enter your password, and if you click reset settings again, you will reset the network settings, and you should try calling up somebody then. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.